I wanted to take a minute and discuss with you the different ways that you can communicate with myself as well as the other students in the class to get help while you're learning. The first is, of course, the Canvas website, where there's a separate version for the undergrad and graduate version. Inside of the discussion section, you'll notice that I'll have different discussions that I put up, such as Week 0, Installation Discussion. I'll try to create different discussions for each week so that as you have questions in the course, you'll be able to post them here. Now, the course is anticipated to be completely live as well, so you're free to ask questions during class. However, if something doesn't make sense, or maybe you want to hold your tongue for some reason, this is a great place to publish that information, and a section where other students can find that information as well. Now, the other way for you to get my and your fellow students' attention in the class is by joining the Slack page. You'll be sent an email early on in the course, which will invite you to this Slack website. The Slack channel is called VR Systems and can be found at the Slack address vrsystemsworkspace.slack.com. You will receive an invite around the start of the semester through your Rowan email account from me. The Slack channel has different sections pertaining to different areas of interest. Slack is great to get help not only from me, but also all the other students in the class. Most importantly though, it allows me to monitor who needs help and what kind of questions are being asked, which makes me change what I teach and how I teach to all of you, taking more or less time as necessary. What you'll see over here are several different channels that I've already pre-created, an announcement section for general announcements I make to the class, like if for some reason something's canceled or something's postponed, homework, where you can ask specific questions about any homework assignment, and then sections for each of the different applications. Make sure you use the correct section when you pose a question. Now, you might be tempted to use my users.rowan.edu/Lecakes address. Many faculty use this to host their own course materials or their personal bio. However, I will not be doing that because everything is going to be self-contained on Canvas to make sure that you have adequate access to all homework and files. All submissions, all content will be through Canvas unless for some reason that is not something we can do. All submissions, including homework, quizzes, and final exams, will be through Canvas. So it's a one-stop location for everything to go to. There'll be no mistakes about emails being sent or files being corrupted. Everything will be through Canvas. Now, to contact me specifically about a course-related matter, you'll be using my address, Lecakes, Lecakes, @rowan.edu. I do have other email addresses, so if you go Googling for me, you might find some of those other ones out there. Do not email those addresses. You do not know how often I check them, and I will not answer any emails sent through any of those other addresses. I'm usually very quick to reply, but expect a maximum delay of up to 12 hours. So don't ask questions at midnight right before an assignment is due. Or, if you need to, don't do it at midnight, but do so through the Slack channel or even the Canvas discussion board, where not only I can help you, but potentially other students. And of course, when asking for help, make sure you do not violate the academic honesty rules Rowan has. You know what these are, they're in the syllabus and posted throughout the university. Don't share code, don't share answers directly, all of that good stuff. You have 3 different ways of getting help and information. All you have to do is reach out and ask for it.